What do Qtest, Katalon, and Kobiton have in common? Vu Lam and Josh Lieberman. It all started with these two visionary entrepreneurs. These trailblazers founded not just one, but three groundbreaking products that have transformed the landscape of software testing and automation today. I'm Frank Moyer, CTO of Kobiton. I've been working with Katalon since 2018 when we first launched the Kobiton and Katalon integration. Since then, this integration has been powering forward, helping countless customers accelerate their path to automation. This original integration set the stage for Katalon users to quickly gain access to real mobile devices. And whether you're a seasoned automation engineer or just embarking on your path to automation, Kobiton and Katalon are here to elevate your testing experience like never before. In today's fast-paced testing industry, blending manual and automated testing is essential. That's where the Kobiton-Katalon partnership truly shines. For manual testers, Kobiton offers unmatched remote access to real devices, ensuring your testing environment mirrors a real device in hand experience with an impressive 30 frames per second and ultra-low latency measured in milliseconds. Kobiton delivers a manual tester experience that's not only responsive, but it's incredibly reliable. But it doesn't stop there. Kobiton seamlessly runs automation scripts directly from Katalon, allowing your team to execute tests with efficiency and reliability. This combination gets your automation workflows executing successfully every single day. And for on-premises customers, security and control are paramount. Kobiton provides remote access to administer your devices securely, even when they're managed behind your own firewall. This critical capability ensures that your testing environment remains both secure and accessible. Kobiton excels in guiding customers along their path to automation, and with Katalon's low-code automation solutions, achieving your testing goals has never been easier. Together, Kobiton and Katalon empower your testing and development teams to accelerate the quality and speed of new releases. While Katalon partners with several real mobile device providers, Kobiton uniquely stands alone by offering real devices on premises. This exclusive integration meets a vital business need for customers operating in completely disconnected or highly secure environments. The Kobiton Katalon solution is already being utilized by on-premises customers today, solving challenges that other integrations simply can't. Whether you're managing devices behind your own firewall or operating in a secure, disconnected setting, this partnership ensures you have the tools you need to succeed. Now, let's bring it all together in a live demonstration. Watch as I effortlessly connect a real Kobiton device directly from Katalon Studio. We'll inspect elements and create our first automation script in just a few simple steps. I've already set up my integration, which only took about 10 minutes. I'm logged into Kobiton, and I have already favorited two devices, the Galaxy S21 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Here is the Katalon Studio interface, and I'll alternate over to the Kobiton interface. And you can see here, the way to have Kobiton devices appear in the Katalon Studio interface is to favorite them here. Now, switching over to the Katalon Studio interface, I'm going to click on the Mobile Record button and choose Kobiton devices in the dropdown. Here, it loads devices in the Devices dropdown and the apps from the Kobiton app repository in the Application File dropdown. Now I'm going to choose the Galaxy S21, and the app I'm going to use is the Crash Sample app. Then I click Start. Within just a few seconds, the device screen appears in Katalon Studio. And when I switch back to Kobiton, I can see the device in utilizing, meaning that's being accessed by me in the Katalon Studio interface. Now, I can inspect elements in Katalon Studio. I will select the Enable Crash checkbox, and I will choose the tap action to associate with this element. That performs the tap action on the device and saves off the test step. Then I will click the next button and also choose tap. As expected, and the app is called Crash App. This app has just crashed, as you can see by it's in the home screen now instead of in the app screen. Okay, now I have completed my test case. I have a few steps. I click stop to stop the session, and I have my first script. So I will click Save Script to save this automation script off as Katalon Kobiton integration test case. I can look at the script and make modifications. You can see here the actual Groovy script, and then I can run this against other real devices on Kobiton, all in just a few minutes. Now, let's address some of the common questions about the Kobiton Katalon integration. First, leave that there. Can I host devices locally and connect them to Kobiton and Katalon's cloud environment? Absolutely. Kobiton offers access to both dedicated devices and our public cloud devices. You can secure devices exclusively to your company and seamlessly access them through the Katalon Studio. If I'm managing devices in-house, if you don't want to manage devices in-house, Kobiton can host those for you in our secure data centers, eliminating the hassle for device management. Second question I get often is, does Kobiton offer any session recording? Absolutely it does. After each session, you can use Session Explorer, a user-friendly iMovie interface, inspired interface, to review session results step by step. If you identify a bug, simply share that as a deep link to the specific test step for your developers to speed up bug resolution. Additionally, you receive a full video of the entire session in the Session Overview tab. And the final question is, how does Kobiton license? Well, for dedicated devices, Kobiton license is based on the number of parallel sessions. And this provides you flexibility to scale according to your testing needs. So that's all. Thank you for being a part of our path to automation with you. Please register with Kobiton and Katalon to experience this powerful integration.